that must have been it. Wait, no, there's still some small stuff going.
That smells good. That was sweet.
Let's still see some other stuff.
Okay, here we go.
Made like 10 in a row. I've only shot one time.
Here we go. That was cool. That's pretty.
Summer has begun.
Yeah, it's pretty.
That's an awful small stadium for all them to be going on.
Oh yeah, every weekend.
Yeah. I have no idea. Let me see. Hey, you know the area?
A little bit.
Don't
What's he
talk
looking
to that guy.
What's he looking for?
I don't know.
You want to know something you don't know?
Yeah.
That's cool. Man, that's good.
Like that
Cool.
It's opening weekend. They got to do it right.
All right.